Do you want to know how you can generate a job application or job cover letter in Gemini AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can generate a job application through Gemini AI. Go and give it a prompt to generate a job application and give it details like you are a manager and you want the post of sales manager in something XYZ company, and also write your years of experience like I have experience in managing this or that, and give it some details. Giving these type of details to Gemini AI is very important, as if you don't give it, then it will give you an incomplete result. So try to give as much details as you want to mention in your job application. After you're done, press next and then it will generate a job application. As you can see, we can go down to the cover letter and start copying it from the cover letter. Just copy the cover letter and send it to the job you want to post for. Also make changes like your name, the name of the company you're trying to apply in, the workspace you have worked in, and things like that. Doing this, you can generate a job application through Gemini AI very easily. So this was the video on how you can generate a job application through Gemini AI. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.